Hello guys, welcome back to another inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix JBL Wave Beam not charging. Also, it would be really awesome if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. So if your JBL Wave Beam here is not charging, well, there are a few things that you may want to consider first. So first things first is you want to make sure that this is not a hardware thing. Now, sometimes the devices or cords that you may be using here may be the problem. So in this case, you want to make sure that your cord is not the problem here. So your charging cable or your charging adapter. So you may want to use a different cable or in this case, an adapter and see if that actually charges your JBL Wave Beam here. Now, also you want to make sure that your JBL Wave Beam here is actually clean. So there are actually contact points inside your JBL beam here, so you may want to blow gently into that so that any dirt or in this case or debris are going to be removed from those contact points, and hopefully that would actually allow you to charge your JBL Wave Beam. But if you're sure it's clean and all the in this case adapter or cord here is working properly, well, in this case, you may want to factory reset. Now, sometimes it might be because there might be some glitches on your JBL Wave Beam here. That's why it's not charging. So what you need to do is you want to both put your earbuds here together inside your charging case, and you want to close it. Now, once you've closed this, you want to remove both the actual earbuds here. And what you need to do is you want to go ahead and just basically tap the light here that you see at the sides, the sensor here, but about 3 times really fast, and just hold it for about 5 seconds. Now in this case you want to do this for the other earbud as well, and once you've done this for both the earbuds here, you just put them back in here and that should reset them. Now optionally you can also reset this by JBL's app itself, so it's easier if you do that via that way, but in this case that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.